Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug in a USB data cable or enable Bluetooth on your phone, then unlock and wake the screen. Make sure Google Maps and Android Auto are updated. This avoids compatibility errors. On the Kwid, open the multimedia screen and select the correct source, Android Auto or Bluetooth. Once done, accept any phone prompts for permissions like location and contacts. These steps let the car detect navigation services and create the secure link you need. Once the physical connection is active, you'll see Android Auto or a Bluetooth pairing request. Tap to connect. You must grant Google Maps permissions on your phone, location, microphone, and notifications, so voice navigation and rerouting work. If the Kwid asks to choose a default navigation app, select Google Maps to avoid repeat prompts. Make sure vehicle audio is routed to media so turn-by-turn directions play through speakers. If you want voice control, enable Google Assistant prompts when asked. Finish by running a short test route to verify map display and spoken directions. Watch for lane guidance and ETA updates. If the map doesn't appear, unplug and replug the USB cable, restart your phone, or reboot the Kwid infotainment. These simple resets clear common handshake errors. Also check that data is enabled on the phone if online features fail. Make sure the phone is secured in a mount, and set Do Not Disturb so notifications don't interrupt navigation while you drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.